I have always enjoyed working with money, my own money, doing budgets and planning for the future, doing the checkbook, all of that kind of stuff. And I never realized it was actually something I could turn into a profession. I assumed that I had to become an accountant and go take the CPA exam, and when I realized that bookkeeping was something that I could do, I was really excited about that and decided to go ahead and start my business. The services that I offer are completely customizable to the individual business needs. I do everything from accounts payable and receivable to facilitating payroll to helping with inventory, really any part of the financial process from the day-to-day perspective I can help with. If it's something that I can't do, I will absolutely find a way to help facilitate the service if it's not something I do already. But I also do the basics of keeping track of the bank account transactions, making sure everything's categorized properly for tax season so that not everything is being done all at once. And I also produce financial statements for each month to give the business a better picture of where they're at on a month-to-month basis instead of waiting until the end of the year and seeing how everything turned out. Many small business owners do not start a business to do their own books. So that being said, many of them are going to put off doing their books, they're going to procrastinate it, whether it's just because they don't want to, maybe they don't understand, maybe it's frustrating, or maybe they just don't have the time for it. Oftentimes a smaller business is not going to have enough need to actually have an on-staff employee. Even a part-time employee, they may not have enough to keep that person busy 15 or 20 hours a week. So having someone that is dedicated to that particular task and not assigning it to someone else, for example, maybe an office manager who has other things that they should be focusing on, it's going to help avoid any errors, things slipping through the cracks, that sort of thing, because that's all I do is pay attention to the books. And my services are at a fraction of what it would cost to actually have an on-staff employee, not only for the time, but for benefits, vacation time, things like that as well.